Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America in Sioux City, Iowa. Today's video is going to be totally different because what I want to do today is I want to ask you what you want to see in my channel. I've been doing my channel for about 1.5 years now, and I started it really only because I was loving fluid art. I was wanting to make sure I was videotaping myself to remember exactly how I did something because I was learning just like a lot of you are. And so I decided to do that, and then I was inspired by Renska, by Julie Cutts, by Molly, by Olga, and they kind of just inspired me by what they do to start a YouTube channel. And now 1.5 years into it, I'm deciding I want to revamp it. I want to make it more of what you would like to see. So in my channel, I have a lot of different types of videos. From everything from how do you do a Dutch pour, to how do you create a triptych, to a landscape, to blooms, to pendulums, to creating how I did my drying rack. And I want to hear from you what it is specifically you really like, what you'd like to see more often. So I've got a couple thoughts in my head, and I'm just going to kind of give you some ideas. Do you want to see the entire process? I have a number of you who really like to watch the entire process, and I have a couple of those videos that I've got quite a few views on. But then I also have the ones that are really short that are just quick how-tos on how to do something very quickly. I can continue doing that, or I can go to something different. Really, this is for you, although this is a channel that I just create for myself and have really enjoyed just kind of that whole process of the creativity side of things and the technical side of things, but it's really about what you're wanting to see. I love creative fluid art. I love teaching. This is just kind of a pastime, a hobby of mine that I like to do on the side. I'm a CEO of a nonprofit, a YMCA, and my job, my day-to-day job, is in the operations and developing strategies to be sustainable for years to come and to be able to provide services to strengthen the foundations of the community. Do that all day long, all week long. And then on the weekends and in the evening times, I'm really enjoying being able to come home and relax and do some fluid art. And so that side of things, that creative side of things, has really helped me to be able to be even a better CEO during the daytime. Then I also love the fact of the channel and the technical side of things, because I can use the creative side of things and the technical side of things to bring that all together. But I want to make this channel about what you're looking for. So down below, comment, tell me what you want. I really hope you like my videos, and I really hope you tell me what you would like to see in the future, because I do want to make this channel all about you. All right, well, thanks for joining me. And if you're new to my channel and you're curious, make sure you stay on and watch some of the videos that I have done, and consider joining me and subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, well, thanks for joining me today, and soon you'll see my revamping of what it is that you guys want me to do. All right, bye for now. Bye. Are you looking for my cat? Move out of the way. Are you looking for... And so I go from that all day long to being able to be creative. To be able to be creative.
Thanks for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.